Today I want to show you how to incorporate more veggies and fruits into your kids' diet. And for this we will make pistachio ice cream, and the main ingredient would be avocados. Also, we will use dates to sweeten this amazing ice cream. I hope you will introduce it to your kids and you will see that even without dairy, without cream, without gluten, without eggs, without white sugar, ice cream can be very delicious, very creamy, and so nourishing for our bodies. Let's get started. The ingredients are super simple, just see. Of course, we will need pistachio butter. This is my homemade pistachio butter, and you can find the link with all my tips how to do it successfully with your home blender on my channel. I have a separate video. No cashews, you see, no any cashews, and we will be using avocados. Avocados should be soft, not hard, but also I want to mention that you can use avocados with some brown spots. It's totally okay for this recipe. As a sweetener, I will be using medjool dates, and you need to soak them about 20 minutes in hot water. Milk. Any type of plant-based milk that you prefer, please use it in this recipe. Also, this is optional ingredient. This is a maple syrup, and how to substitute it completely, you need to add extra 50 grams of dates instead of maple syrup. But you need to understand that once you add more dates, you will get more brownish color of your pistachio ice cream. That is all, super simple, no oils, no cashews, no cacao butter, and let's grab our blender. My dear friends, I want to invite you to my dairy-free ice cream course. Every spring I open the door to new students. I created this course about 2 years ago, and over 1,000 students enjoy 11 recipes from this course during summer time. You will find there some recipes with nuts, other recipes without nuts. Half recipes are even without coconut oil. I will show you different techniques. Some ice creams will be raw, we will not bake them. But I will also show you some amazing techniques how to curd your ice cream and get amazing texture without adding nut butter or nuts. So you can find the link to join this course here or under the video. Welcome, and you will have a few packages, and one of them will have an option to speak with me in Telegram channel. So let's make this summer very delicious and without limiting ourselves and our kids with so amazing desserts as ice cream. I'm waiting for you in Telegram once you join the course. And honestly, no any specific order of what to put first in our blender, but I always start with liquids. So this is our milk, my sweetener, if you prefer to use it here, avocado, soft dates without pits, and pistachio butter. Our goal is to blend it into completely smooth consistency. Let's do it. Super creamy, super nice. Yeah, and you can see that even though we used dates that gives brownish color, we still have nice pistachio shade of our ice cream. I will be using a special ice cream container. It has 2 bottoms, so my ice cream will not be crystallizing so much, but please feel free to use any bowl that you have in your kitchen, so it shouldn't stop you from making this ice cream. And we pour our pistachio oil-free, cashew-free ice cream here, and remember, you can make it without any sweeteners, with only dates. If you have time, you can set a timer and stir your ice cream each 30 minutes 5-6 times. But it's not necessary because we have a lot of fatty ingredients into our ice cream, so it shouldn't be very crystallized at the end. But if you want the perfect effect, if you want perfect ice cream, not gelato, not sorbet, please stir it each 30 minutes 5-6 times.